Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can send gift messages in Instagram. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also write your comments below this video and make sure to put your likes. So friends, let us get started with you. And I'm going to show you now the whole process of how you can send these kind of interesting gift hidden messages. So friends, let's show you the whole process from the very beginning. To do this, please open the Instagram app on your device and then go to the conversations section. Next, select the person or correspondence you want. Next, in the message bar, see the text you need. Then to the left of the text, click on this search sign. Here, as you can see, there will be a list of effects. You can choose any of them, but if you need a gift message, then click on it. And as you can see, instantly such a message will be sent. And when it comes to the person, it will come in this form. In order to open it, he will need to click on the box. And as you can see, instantly the lid comes off the box and the message is seen. You can do the same to see the gift message you sent. That's the very simple, quick, and fun way, friends, you can send gift messages in the Instagram app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments. See you soon, friends.